Hey, welcome to Mac's Garage. I'm Mac, and today we're gonna be working on the BMW. It's gonna be probably a really quick video. So this is a 2020 BMW X5 S-Drive 40i. So we're actually going to trade this in, and there is a slight crack in the silver piece of the bumper. So we're gonna trade that piece out so they don't ding us. And we're gonna trade it in for something I think you guys are gonna like. I'm not gonna spoil the surprise just in case maybe we don't get it, but it's got the right amount of cylinders and a Hirsch purse, and it'll make it so that way both me and my husband can go to the drag and drive events and race together. So it'll be interesting. All right, well, let's get into it. It's probably gonna be a short video, but I've never done it, so let's learn. So based off the new piece, I think I just have to unclip these spots, hopefully. So I'm gonna, oh, yeah, that should be fine. It's a little thick. This seems thick. I think that's too thick. Hold on. Okay, I lied. I'm gonna try to pull this part off first. Maybe. Damn it. I don't want to break the tabs. I don't care about this piece, but okay. Oh, I didn't break it. That's good. Oh, I'm scared. Okay, well. Hopefully I didn't break the actual clippy-doo. Okay. I don't think I broke the clippy-doo. And you know how to... Okay, well, that's good. That'll be fun. Okay. All right, I swear if this is, okay, let me not jinx myself. Let me not even say anything until it's actually on there. Okay. Oh, Lord. Oh. Come on, wiggly, wiggly. Oh. That was so easy. I'm so proud of myself. You know, if you would have gone to the dealership, that'd have been $1 million. So anyways, I'm super excited about this. All the clips stayed in. It looks way cleaner than the rest of the car, so I'm definitely gonna have to take it to the car wash before we go, because they might notice the other little spot. Well, that was easy. So that was an easy fix, but I just wanted to let you know some stuff about the car. So the BMW we've had for a year and a half, it's got a B58 motor, which is a twin turbo inline six. It's the same engine as the new Supras have, so it's a nice car. It's got some pick-me-up for it being a mom car, but we've had absolutely no issues with it. It's been a great car, but you know, my husband can't keep anything for longer than 2 seconds, because race cars. But no, it's a good car. If you're looking into it, you should definitely look into it. That being said, while we were doing that, we found a little dead birdie in the bumper, so I'm gonna go remove that. I hope you guys have a great day, and make sure to comment, like, subscribe, all the things. See you next week.